Dear viewers, I am speaking from Heaven Mangrove, a world-class resort. Everything here, the trees, plants, and the natural environment, very much attractive. And wherever the eyes go, and whatever we can see, very heavenly. And for this region, it is called Heaven Mangrove. And here I have got a man, Mr. Bipul Mondal. He is an educated person. He was a student of English department, and now he is working here because unfortunately he couldn't complete his course. Many of us face the same problem, but he is not stopped there. His writing, many of his writing, his poetry, আলোর পথযাত্রী, নিরুদ্দেশ যাত্রী, আলোর পথের যাত্রী, প্রেমের মহাকাব্য, প্রেমের সমাধি, etc. are renowned, and near 600 books are sold already. I am pleased getting him. Thank you very much.